Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 9th. We are studying second chapter of your physics, that is force and laws of motion, and today we shall study its last topic, that is application of law of conservation of momentum. We have already studied law of conservation of momentum. What that says? That says initial momentum of a body is equal to final momentum of body. Momentum is mass into velocity barabar of an object. Mass and velocity of an first object before collision is equal to mass and velocity after collision of an object. When I parin image application kat hako is understand karith ki initial momentum ch asa barabar final momentum. Yeah, in other words use is law of conservation of momentum. Agar kunjay laws go momentum loss is equal to moment gain sah kim jay istemal karam tath kim jay is kaam hewan. What working of rockets. The chemicals inside the rocket burns and produces high velocity blast of hot gases. The gases pass out through the tail nozzle of the in the downward direction with high velocity, and the rocket moves up to balance the momentum of the gas. For example, it's your rocket. Ach pötkin asa gas im jay berit asa this fuel berit mans. Yel pötkin se blast karan ch. Is pöt se blast kar se kya kar mass to velocity ek velocity search yours path never neran pass out through a tail is pötkin tat asan ch tail banait yani space yapar ye neran fuel dezit neran ch with high velocity is per high velocity ker adgas momentum create ker ak force magar opposite force gas ye opposite force gas at against gas opposite to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction ye gas hur kya gas hur it put is per go momentum mass use them burn as into velocity तो ये दी या दक ये खस हर इत पे सोन जेट एरोप्लेन हर हेकान खसित तस कुछ मोमेंटम करा प्रोवाइड ये यानी अस वनस कर एक्शन फोर्स यह वापस रिएक्शन फोर्स अपोजिट गसा क्रिएट यम सर गसान यह गई अमिच एप्लीकेशन. Although the mass of gas is emit is कम अगर गेसुक मास अगर वारिया स्मॉल मगर चूंकि वेलोसिटी तथ ज्यादा आसान ये वेलोसिटी तथ ज्यादा तमिस मोमेंटम ते ज्यादा क्या दयो मज अगर अख ते ज्यादा मोमेंटम क्या यथ वारिया एट अ वेरी हाई वेलोसिटी यम वेलोसिटी पे वारिया हाई तो मास अगर although कम अत फ्यूल अत नेरान दजित तम पत्ते मोमेंटम अमिच लार्ज बनान. An equal momentum is imparted to the rocket in the opposite. May win one. Yapar is paid with high velocity, some mass burn goes, some mass of fuel. Yim team do the duck, you quote it put in here in opposite. It puts snare, you shut timi pressure search here, timi search here, kasa. The it puts at momentum gasa duck laga kasa rocket goes up in the velocity because I heard him here gasa. And a rocket launch them 80 principles but ever launch karna. Jet aeroplanes. In jet aeroplanes, a large volume of gases produced by the combustion of fuel is allowed to escape through its jet in backward direction. Due to the high speed or velocity, the backward running force have a large momentum. Gases have a large momentum. They impart an equal and opposite momentum to the jet aeroplane, due to which aeroplanes moves forward with a great speed. Thus, they work on the principle of conservation of momentum. It's here. Is per jet aeroplane is touch per fuel doesn't. Is per fuel touch those. तो सह momentum गैस gain so momentum use per gain गैस backward rushing gases with a large momentum they impart equal कर वापस अक force opposite direction hur तो तम सत क्या गैस aeroplane hur खसान गो युस momentum यपर momentum loss यह आसान त्यूत हर आसान gain यूत force यपर द्रा तमी force दी वापस ये दक अत तो these are the applications of law of conservation of momentum. Hope you have understood it.